I get a lot of DMs saying, Jad, is John Frieda good for wavy hair? Yo guys, welcome to another video. Today's a bit different. Today I'm going to be showing you my curly hair routine, as it's only right because I got a trim, as you can see. Obviously I got a medium tapered hairline, and I got a little two lines, something different. So today I'm going to show you what products I use, how I use them, the before and after. And yeah, if you're interested, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And yeah man, let's go. So guys, as you can see, I'm in my friend's toilet. It's a toilet. The first thing I'm going to do is show you the products I'll be using. Then you're going to see me wash my hair in there, and you'll see the before and after. And you'll also see when my hair is dry. So let's go. So guys, as you can see, all I use is John Frieda. Make sure you go buy John Frieda, they're the best. Also John Frieda, if you're watching, please sponsor me, because I always talk about your products, I always hype you up, so it's only right, you get me. But anyways, moving on. So the first product I'm going to be using is the John Frieda shampoo. You can get this from Superdrugs for $6.99, and if you get all of them together, you get all these free for the price of two, which is like £15. So no brainer. Without further ado, let's start with the shampoo, you get me. So let's go. So as you can see, my hair right now is wet. As you can see, let's put on the shampoo. So guys, when you're putting shampoo, it's very important to make sure you only put a bit. A lot of people, they always put so much. No, that's all you need. Look, that's all you need. You don't need to put 2 liters of shampoo. No. And make sure you prioritize the back. A lot of people don't prioritize the back. Prioritize the back, you get me? So as you can see, my hair is starting to become shiny. That's the good thing about John Frieda. It makes your hair so shiny, wallahi, it's so good. Look, shiny. And it also defines the curls. Certainly, right? But yeah. And now we wash off the shampoo. Make sure you wash it off thoroughly, that's very important. But yeah, let's go. Wallahi, I hate putting water on my hair. It's the worst thing ever. If you've got curly or wavy hair, you know about this. But you got to firm it. So that's the shampoo. Now we put on the conditioner. Let's go. So you see with the conditioner, a lot of people, what they do is they put the conditioner and they rinse their hair after 30 seconds. It's very important you leave it for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Let the conditioner sink into your hair. Let the conditioner do its thing. So remember, leave the conditioner for 3 to 4 minutes. Don't rinse it straight away. But anyways, let's go. It says the curl defining conditioner, rich, creamy nourishment for bouncy defining curls. Let's see if it's true. Also, it says here for wavy and curly hair. See? So even if you got wavy hair, this is still suitable for your hair. I get a lot of DMs saying, Jad, is John Frieda good for wavy hair? The answer is yes, it is. Make sure all over your hair. My God, my hair is actually long, but it don't seem long. That's the thing of curly hair. Your hair's long, but because it shrinks, it doesn't seem long. Oh, that is nice. That is nice. Also, if you're still watching this video and you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. That really helps me out, you get me. And my TikTok and Instagram will be down below because I've got more curly hair videos over there, so make sure to go check it out. But anyways, back to the video. So guys, as you can see, I put it on. Now you wait 3-4 minutes. Also, you can see that my hair is shiny. Look how shiny it is. It's so lang, bro. I love John Frieda. Sponsor me. So now we wait 3 to 4 minutes and I'll see you then. Let's go. So guys, I can't lie, it's been like 6 minutes, a bit longer, but I'm back now. Let me go wash my hair and yeah, I'll come back. Whoa. Oh, make sure you're itching your scalp too, that's very important. Now, you can use any curling cream. There is Sheer Moisture, Argan Oil, but the one I use is John Frieda. So that's the one I'm gonna use, you get me? And I highly recommend you use it. So this is the final thing. Literally pour a bit, that's it, you get me? Look how sharp my hairline is. Bro, I think I've got one of the sharpest hairline in the UK. Like, please tell me someone with a better hairline than me. You can't exactly, shush. And then you give your hair a little shake. So all of us, we style our hair differently. What I like to do is I don't like my hair to cover my forehead, innit? So what I do is I always make sure I slick my hair at the front back by using my hands like this, look. A lot of people ask me, Jad, how do you keep your hair away from your hairline? All I do is use my hand to slick my hair back like this. See what I'm saying? Also, I always tell my barber to cut the top of my hair, like at the front. You know what I'm saying? So it's neater. So there's 2 things you can do to keep the hair away from your forehead, isn't it? So guys, as you can see, I washed my hair and put in my curling cream. But I'll be back in 2 hours when my hair is dry. So you can see the before and after. So until then, I'll see you in a bit. Let's go. Yo guys, as you can see, this is my hair after 2 hours. Not bad, right? What do you guys think? John Frieda, hard. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know down below what video you want me to do next. I will love you all guys. Thank you for the support.